Ready to complete your consignment pickup? Let's walk through the entire process from start to finish. In just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to complete a consignment pickup accurately using the WHMSPro. Let's see how you can do this in just a few steps. When a new consignment pickup is assigned to you, you'll receive a notification on your mobile device. Tap the notification to open the My Jobs page. You can also go to My Jobs and tap Pickup to view your assigned consignment pickups. Here, you'll find two sections. Today, pickup jobs scheduled for today. Upcoming, pickup jobs scheduled for future dates. At the scheduled pickup time, travel to the pickup address. Once you arrive, select the required consignment pickup job to open the pickup details page. Then tap Start Pickup to begin. Scroll down to the Capture Item section. Take photos of each pickup item. You can upload up to 5 photos for each item. If you need to record any additional information, enter it in the description field. After capturing the item details, tap Add Item to save them. Repeat the same steps until all pickup items have been added. Once you've captured all the items, tap Finish Pickup. If Consignment Pickup Verification is enabled, you'll be asked to complete the verification process before confirming the pickup. First, collect the consigner's signature on your mobile device. Next, capture the consigner's ID proof. After completing the verification, tap Confirm Pickup. Your consignment has now been picked up. If you have more assigned consignments, repeat the same process for each pickup. Once you arrive at the warehouse, open the pickup job and tap Mark as Delivered to confirm that the consignment has been delivered. That's the complete driver pickup workflow. From receiving the pickup job to completing verification, every step is simple and easy to follow. Thanks for watching.